In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get an S rank in League of Legends. Mastery grades are a snapshot of how well you performed on a specific champion in a specific role, and they're judged on a curve. That means your game is compared to other players on the same champion, in the same role, in your region. Because of that, popular picks with lots of strong performers can be tougher to stand out on. A top lane Irelia, for example, has more competition than an off-meta top lane Anivia. Keep that context in mind as we go through what the system values most. First, creep score matters a lot for every role except support. Consistent last hitting, catching waves before they crash, and minimizing missed minions over time will dramatically improve your grade. If the lane is rough, focus on stabilizing and farming safely. A steady CS lead can outweigh flashy moments. Next, kill participation is heavily weighted. The system wants to see you involved when your team gets things done. Look to sync with your jungler, move first on plays when it's safe, and be present for skirmishes around dragons and heralds. It's not just about kills. Showing up and contributing reliably is key. Damage done is also a major factor, even when it doesn't convert into takedowns. Good trades, poke in lane, and sustained damage in teamfights all count. Think of it as proving your champion's value throughout the game, not only on the scoreboard. Your KDA needs to be solid. As a baseline, you'll generally want at least a 2.0 KDA for an S, and certain roles may demand even more. Value your life, reset when you're low resources, and avoid risky coin flip plays that lead to unnecessary deaths. Clean, controlled games grade better. Vision score matters for every role, not just support. Buying control wards is a cheap, high-impact way to increase your score because they provide vision and also deny enemy wards, which boosts you twice. Place wards that live long and clear enemy vision when you can. If you'd like more on maximizing vision score, check our article dedicated to it. Finally, structure damage is a smaller piece, but it still counts. You don't need to tunnel on towers, yet grabbing a few plates in lane or chipping turrets when it's safe helps round out your grade. Very low tower damage can drag you down. Put it all together. Farm well, join plays, deal meaningful damage, stay alive, invest in vision, and take the easy plates. Do those fundamentals consistently, and that S rank will follow.